Hello, welcome back to Interstellar Incorporated, the demo video series. We're still on planets here, and we're going to go now talk about ports and shipping, a very key part of the game, which basically is the whole purpose of the shipping and the ports is to provide your production facilities with the necessary supply chain in order to build their fantastic widgets and delicious foods, and also to have some stocks of final goods in order to sell on to the final market. So the port and ship tabs are basically related, they're linked, and you can see here, if we start with the port, what we have here is the port storage is your central storage area for the whole planet. So basically every time a factory produces something, or a mine or a farm knocks out some resource, it dumps it into your central port facility, which is in orbit. Magically shuttles transport those goods up into the port in orbit, and we can see here we've got 4 different types of goods, which reflects the types of storage and shipping that are required. You have bulk materials, which is solid bulks like iron ore, minerals, coal, building materials, that sort of thing is stored in one type. You've got fluids, which can include gases and liquids. Water is included in that. Perishables, which is basically any type of food that requires pressurized and refrigerated storage. And lastly, containerized inventory, which is equivalent to what we think of as in a container port or container shipping today, for storing common goods. So port's capability is determined by the number of storage lots that you have for the different types of goods. As you can see here, in this one we've got 300. We've got capability of 300 bulk materials. We've only got 100 units of bulk fluid storage, 300 of perishables, and 100 of containerized. Now, if you want to expand, for instance, our containerized storage, we can add a containerized module. We can actually just build a number of these. Each time we're burning up money doing this, so I'll have to go easy. And let's say I wanted to add another gas storage. So let's say we get to that point. Now we have our port is full, so we need to then expand our port storage by upgrading our port, and we can do that. That's probably going to put me into the red, so I'm not going to do it immediately. And as you research further technologies in the game, you can upgrade your port up to the maximum size. So when you have a particularly busy port, you want lots and lots of storage, because you will fill up very quickly. So let's have a look at what we've got in our bulk materials. We've got some iron ore and some coal, and we've also got some iron metal as well, some building materials. What we want to do here is we've got some ships in dock, and we've got a number of different ships. In this one here we've got a tanker which can take bulk fluids. We've got a container vessel, another tanker, and we have a bulk carrier. Now, to demonstrate the interaction between ports and ships, what I'm going to do is I'm going to load some coal onto the bulk carrier by clicking that, and also the iron ore. So that's loaded the iron ore and the iron, and also the bulk materials, and some cars as well. So now we've pretty much filled up that bulk carrier. Well, we've got a little bit left, but we've emptied out our bulk storage now. So this bulk carrier is now ready to take these goods off to another planet, or indeed another system if you're faster than light travel. Conversely, you can unload just by the reverse, like that. Now, when you actually manually load and unload, it occurs instantly. When you actually have an automated supply route, loading and unloading will occur at a certain speed. So that's basically it for ships and ports, although there's one last view I will show you. There's a port view here where you can actually see your ships docking and undocking as you mainly it's just for entertainment value. And I'll just show you quickly a restart of the game, which will show these ships actually coming into dock. So you can see here the ships are coming in. This is just a script to demonstrate this. You can see it's all very animated. This is mainly your reward for having a very busy shipping route. You get to see your ships going in and out. I mean, this is why people have train sets, I guess. But anyway, so that's pretty much it on shipping and ports on the planet view. Next and last on planets, I'll be discussing the market interface.